Want to know why you should meditate every day? Then this is the video for you. Meditation's got a whole lot of benefits, but I want to talk to you about what I found to be the most beneficial aspects of meditating. You ready for this? Meditation trains you to be more present more often. Why does that matter? It matters because the source of a lot of our stress and anxiety and worry comes from thinking about the future or the past. We're never in the present. In the present is where you actually feel joy, fulfillment, bliss. It's the only time you can actually truly feel these feelings. So meditation trains that muscle of learning how to be in that moment more often. Another benefit of meditation is that it trains you that life is now. It's no other time and it's going by. And if we don't take time to appreciate it and be in the present, then it's passing us by and we're missing our lives. If you're liking the video so far, drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more of the positivity that me and this channel are all about. Another benefit of meditation is it trains you to be less reactive. That means you don't immediately react to situations the way you've done in the past. Another benefit of meditation is that it gives you perspective. It changes the way you think about the world. By sitting out and being able to differentiate your thoughts from your reactions and your thoughts from who you are, it changes the way you see yourself and the world. It gives you perspective on things. Instead of just doing things the way you've always done them and making assumptions about yourself and assumptions about others and assumptions about the world, you gain perspective, and that translates into an increase in wisdom, and that translates into an increase in happiness. It's a great thing. These are just some of the things that I found by practicing meditation. Let me know some things that meditation has done for you in your own practice, or some things that you've heard it's done and you're interested. Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to hear about it.